Welcome to Jamaica.
Arrive 49, vacate Bravo. Next right. Okay, vacate on Alpha. Unclear, contact ground 121.7.
Vacating Alpha and contacting 121.7, forward for 6.
Ski wind 070 degrees, 18 knots, clear to land 07.
7420, go ahead.
JetBlue 2427, RNAV RNP 7.
JetBlue 2427, thanks for tower, good day. Continue approach runway 07.
Roger, continue, JetBlue 2427.
Good on Charlie, Alpha to the ramp, monitor ground 121.7, good day sir.
Charlie Alpha to the ramp and monitor ground 217, thank you, go 50. Good.
Canada 982 with you, Shane and Ben.
The 982, thanks for tower, good day, continue approach runway 07.
Canada 982.
427, wind 070 degrees at 14 knots, cleared to land runway 07.
Clear to land runway 7, JetBlue 2427.
Blue 2427 on time 55, vacate on taxiway Bravo, when clear, contact ground 121.7.
We Bravo and clear over the ground, JetBlue 2427.
Exit tower, this is Delta 1955, we're at Usain inbound for RNAV 07.
Air Canada 982, wind 060 degrees, 18 knots, clear to land 07.
07 at Canada 982.
Delta 1955, thanks to tower, roger, continue approach runway 07.
Approach 07, Delta 1955.
982 on time 58, vacate on Bravo, next right, when clear, contact ground 121.7.
One clear, 21-7, Air Canada 982.
So 1955, wind 060 degrees at 19 knots, you're clear to land 07.
Clear to land 07, Delta 1955.
Arrived on the hour. Vacate, next possible right, when clear, contact ground 121.7.
Full 7, then we're going to take Alpha for Delta 1955, thank you.
Windows 050 at 18, clear to landing is 07.
And runway 07, American 875.
On a 39 of vacate, Bravo, contact ground 117.
Bravo, ground American 875, see you.
2126 Youngster Tower, continue approach runway 07.
Continue approach 07, United 2126.
Wind 060 at 19, clear to land on the 07.
Runway 07, United 2126. Yankee November Lima, we're 4 miles to the northwest, flat LFA 07.
Yankee Juliet November Lima, Frankfurt Tower, proceed to final runway 7.
07, 6 Yankee Juliet November Lima.
I'm at 44, vacate Bravo, contact ground 1217.
Bravo over to ground, United 2126.
November Lima, wind 06020, clear to 1107.
7, copy the wind from 6 Yankee Juliet November Lima.
Good afternoon, Southwest 1042 on the RMP runway 7.
Southwest 1042, Sangster Tower, continue approach, runway 07.
Continue the approach, runway 07, Southwest 1042.
Number 1 traffic Cessna over the lights.
New runway 7, Southwest 1042.
Lima on a 48, vacate Delta, contact ground 1217.
So contact ground 1217, 6 November Lima.
1042, clear to land 187, wind 060 at 18.
Runway 7, Southwest 1042.
Vacate Bravo, contact ground 117.
All vacate on Bravo, ground point 7, Southwest 1042. Southwest 273, holding short, runway 07.
376 Tower, clear for takeoff, runway 7, wind 070 at 17.
Runway 07, Southwest 273. Delta 1801, RNC 07.
1 Tower, continue approach, runway 07.
7 Delta 1801.
clear to land when it's 07.
07 Delta 1801.
273 radar 120.8.
Switching, good day, Southwest 273.
On that 56 rated. Alpha contact ground 1217.
217 Delta 1801.
Target day, Air Canada 983, holding short 07.
Signs to tower, line up and wait on 07.
Line up and rate 1007, Air Canada 983.
Over to traffic, airborne 32, radar 120.8.
That's my 867 Charlie.
Wind 0619, cleared for takeoff on 07.
For takeoff, runway 07, Air Canada 983.
Star American 875 is on the RNAV runway 7.
75, signs to tower, continue approach on 07.
American 875.
Airborne 35, radar 120.8.
120.8, Air Canada 983, good day.